Hello, another trick for Halloween, which I think looks absolutely brilliant. These newel posts are just flattened off with, you can see, like a brushed stainless steel top, so they're flat. That's how they normally look. So last night, I've gone and stuck 2 skulls on them, either side, for Halloween. Now, these have been stuck on with a what they call command strip, that's it, where the Velcro, they're absolutely brilliant. They're sold everywhere. You can get them in some supermarkets, B&M, The Range. They're absolutely fantastic. What they're also great for, if I just whiz around here as well, is for sticking pictures so they're flush to the wall. So it's well worth going and checking those out. I'll probably do something on those a little bit later, but I just quickly wanted to show you the 2 skulls and how effective they look. Now, it's really easy to be able to do this. There are several skulls out there on the marketplace at the moment. I did a shop this morning, which I'm going to do another vlog on. So I've got that from the pound shop for £1. And I've got that from Asda, and it has a moving mouth, and that was £3. So you could either go for that for £3. Now, if you wanted to, you could just have a normal skull, but I quite like the fact of having it silver. So I've got a skull similar to this, which I paid £2 for from eBay, but if I'd have known these were £1, because they've only just come into the Poundland, I'd have bought these. And then what I've done is I've sprayed Plasticoat Brilliant Metallic outside, so make sure you're in a well ventilated area. And then I'll put the command strip underneath, stuck it on there. So obviously they're plastic, you're not going to keep them up all year. Oh, you might want to. I am going to. The reason why I bought some more of these is that I'm actually going to spray these up silver, and I'm going to put a hole in the back, a nail in the wall outside, and hang them outside my house on the wall, so it looks like I've got skulls on the wall. And for £1, they're so easy. And of course, all these bits and pieces you'll be able to put away and get out for next year. So that's my tip today for Halloween. Go and check out all the shops, because there's some amazing stuff in at the moment. I've just been and had a look. Like I said, I'll do a vlog tomorrow of what I've shopped, because I want to go and get an exercise class done. Now, if you want to follow, you need to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Any questions, you can leave them at the bottom, but they're absolutely fab. I love them. And you can even cut the top of the head off, put a glass inside or a piece of Oasis, and make sure it's covered with a little bit of a bag, and you can make that as a floral arrangement as well. Something I might be doing for my table for Halloween. Oh, the other thing as well is that you could spray glue on it and you could cover it in glitter. You don't have to have it silver. You could have it red. You could have it black. You could have it just a normal skeleton colour. You could go for pink. You could go for gold if you wanted to. They have got gold skulls in Asda at the moment. I think they range about £3-4 each. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see every video that I post. See you later.